Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about, another price drop and another special promotion on an iPhone 7 through Boost Mobile. They actually just released this a couple days ago, so let's go ahead and check it out. If you do remember, I made a video where this phone was actually set for $50, but now it price dropped to even a cheaper price where a lot more people can afford it. Even though $50 is a good price for an iPhone 7, 30 bucks is even better. So let's go ahead and check it out. So right now, if you go to boostmobile.com, you can check this out. They have this live. We'll see, what requirements you need and also when this will finish. But before we get there, guys, let me tell you about our supporter Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. So check them out. Alright, so let's get to the video, guys. Like I said, once you go to the website, you scroll down a little bit. As you can see, there it is. Look at that. Wow. iPhone 7 for only $30, guys. $29.99 plus taxes and a bunch of other fees. But hey, for $30, you're definitely saving. Even if you get this with a plan, you're still saving a lot of money, guys. So let's go to learn more. Then remember, these deals are exclusive in-store only. So you will not be able to find this online or anything like this. Which, like I said, I always like because it's good for the dealers. So, support your local dealer and they will be able to get you this deal if they have the phone in stock and all that good stuff. So once we scroll down, as you can see, there it is, iPhone 7 for $29.99 just for you. But let's read the fine print that, everybody wants. So here we go. As you can see, it just started maybe about 4 days ago, give or take. So iPhone 7 $29.99, and I'm looking right here, guys, if you need it. So it says offer valid from January 28th, 2020 until, wow, this promotion is going way into a tax season. So this, I'm guessing, it's going to be their tax season promotion. This goes until April 2nd, 2020. Like I said, it does say right there, while supplies last. So you probably don't want to be the last one, because especially when people start getting that tax money, that tax refund, they will be buying this, and you might be out of luck. So excludes taxes, limited one device per line. So if you have 4 lines, only one of these can go to you. Available for new customers only. Requires porting and activation on eligible plan 50 or higher, and unlimited family plans. Excludes port from Sprint related carriers. So everybody knows you have to port your number in from a non-Sprint carrier. So even if it's MVNO and if it uses Sprint's network, you will not be able to get this promotion. It has to be from a different carrier, competing carrier, Verizon, AT&T, US Cellular, TracFone, whatever is out there, Cricket, even, Metro, no Boost, but you know what I mean. So it's pretty cool. So it says discount applies towards phone purchase, no cashback, credit, or rainy check. Select models only, no substitutions. Selection and availability vary by retailer. So this is true. Every retailer will have, maybe either like a different color or different stock. So one store might have, 20 of these. One store might only have, 5 of these. So it really does depend. But overall, I think for that price, you're getting a really decent phone, Check it out. If we go to iPhones, we'll look at the iPhone 7 so you can see. Here it is. So look at that, $200 still. Even though Boost Mobile price cut it from $400 down to $200, you can still get it at a better price at only $30 if you port your number in. So a 4.7-inch touchscreen, 12 megapixel camera, 14 hours of talk time, 4K video recording, iOS 13. So this one does go all the way to iOS 13. So overall, that's the plus. I don't know why they have it, but overall, guys, it's a really good phone, I think. Especially for the price. It is splash and water resistant. New home button, new black and jet black finishes. I remember when the iPhone 7 came out, it was popping, man. Of course, the camera, it's improved 12 megapixels, optical image stabilization, 7 megapixel front HD camera, quad LED true tone flash. Then, like I said, the Plus version does have 2 cameras. One for optical zoom, 2 times digital zoom, up to 10 times. Then the other one's a 12 megapixel wide angle telephoto camera. So pretty cool. And then, of course, bright, beautiful colors on the display, 25% brighter, 3D touch, wide color gamut, faster LTE with the best worldwide roaming. So pretty cool. Wow, this phone actually can handle up to 450 megabits per second, up to 3 times faster than LTE than the iPhone 6, up to 25 bands of LTE. So overall, it's a pretty good phone, I say, for the price. Like I said, it's faster than iPhone 6, which is really what's comparing it. And now the audio does come in stereo, so you get 2 speakers. And like I said, that's a big difference for all you media consumption, guys out there like I am. But this one was the first one to remove the headphone jack. Like I said, this phone's a little old now, so everybody should know about this phone. But like I said, this is a really good deal for the price. Like I said, for $30, if you have another carrier you want to, check out Boost Mobile. Remember, Boost Mobile does run off Sprint's network, so just make sure it works in your area. So I definitely know like Florida and like New York and some parts of North Carolina, Sprint's really good. So it just depends where you're at. So check it out. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. And like I said, I'm waiting for new phones to drop. Hopefully when they drop, I'll unbox them and review them. I'm trying to get the new Galaxy, so check it out. Thank you.